Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Italian dressing for pasta salad. Whisk 1/2 cup olive oil with 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and stir in minced garlic. Sprinkle salt, black pepper, dried oregano, and a pinch of sugar to taste. Taste and adjust acidity or oil balance, then toss with cooked, cooled pasta and vegetables for a lively, crowd-pleasing salad. Combine oils and vinegar first so the dressing emulsifies smoothly. Use a jar or whisk for best results. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard to help bind the emulsion and give subtle tang. Stir in fresh minced garlic and dried oregano, then season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to round out the acidity. Adjust to your taste and refrigerate briefly to let flavors meld before tossing with pasta and veggies. For variations, substitute lemon juice for vinegar to create a brighter, citrus-forward dressing that pairs well with tomatoes and mozzarella. Add chopped fresh basil or parsley just before serving to keep herbal notes vibrant and green. If you plan to serve later, reserve a small amount of dressing to refresh the salad so it doesn't become soggy, and always toss pasta while slightly warm to help the dressing cling evenly for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.